Hey, ever heard the word Linux and thought, sounds complicated? Don't worry, I've got you. Let's break it down in simple terms. Linux is an operating system, just like Windows or macOS. But with one big difference, it's open source. That means anyone can view, modify, and share the code. And yeah, it's completely free. You've probably used Linux without even knowing it. Android phones? Yep, they're Linux-based. Most websites you visit, running on Linux servers. Even space stations and supercomputers love it. Why do techies swear by Linux? It's secure, super customizable, and lightweight. You're not locked into anything. You get to choose how your system looks, works, and feels. And no, you don't need to be a programmer. There are beginner-friendly Linux versions like Ubuntu or Linux Mint that are just as easy to use as Windows. If you're curious and want to start exploring, check out techrefreshing.com. It's packed with beginner guides, distro comparisons, and cool Linux tools to get you going. Linux isn't just for geeks anymore, it's for creators, learners, tinkerers, and maybe you. Hit up techrefreshing.com and take your first step into the world of Linux. It's easier than you think. techrefreshing.com, where tech meets clarity.